Hi, this is Rico from RecoveryFox AI. Here's an old hard drive from my previous desktop computer. Before I removed it from the case, I had already deleted all the data on it. But today, I'll show you how it's still possible to recover deleted files using RecoveryFox AI, a smart and reliable data recovery tool. RecoveryFox AI supports recovering deleted or formatted data from HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, memory cards, and many other storage devices. To begin, we first need to connect this old drive to a working computer. Here you can see the detailed specifications of my old drive. You have two ways to connect the drive. Method 1, use an external hard drive enclosure like this. Method 2, use a USB to SATA adapter like this. I already have an adapter on hand, so I'll go with method 2 to show you the steps. But there's an important point to note. When connecting a 3.5-inch HDD to your computer, it requires extra power. Without it, the adapter won't work, and your computer won't be able to access the drive. So, when you choose a SATA to USB adapter, make sure it comes with a power cable included. Here's the adapter I'm using, along with its power cable. Now let's connect it step by step. Attach the SATA connector to the drive, plug in the power cable. Finally, connect the adapter to your computer's USB port. Once connected, your computer should detect the drive. You can check it in File Explorer to confirm it's accessible. Now we're ready to start the recovery. Download and install RecoveryFox AI from the official website, or use the link in the comments below. Keep in mind that never install the recovery software on the same drive you're trying to recover data from, as that could overwrite the lost files. After installation, launch RecoveryFox AI. The interface is clean and straightforward. You'll see a list of drives, along with quick access to desktop and recycle bin recovery. Select the drive you just connected to start scanning. RecoveryFox AI runs a two-stage scan. Quick Scan recovers recently deleted files, often with their original names and folder structures. AI Scan digs deeper, identifying and reconstructing lost files based on their characteristics. For formatted drives, RecoveryFox AI skips the quick scan and runs AI Scan directly. During the AI Scan, you can pause any time to preview and recover files. However, for best results, let the full scan finish before recovering. When the scan completes, you can browse results by file path or file type. Many files from the quick scan folder will still have original names and folders. Others can be explored by type. Click a file on the right panel to preview or recover. Currently, RecoveryFox AI supports previewing images, documents, and some web files, with more formats coming soon. To recover, simply select the files or folders you want. Click Recover and choose a safe location on a different drive to save them. RecoveryFox AI will automatically organize everything by type. And that's it. The whole recovery process is simple, fast, and effective. RecoveryFox AI makes getting your data back easier than ever. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Rico, and I'll be sharing more practical tips on data recovery. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.